Do you know the price of electricity you are using daily and perhaps at every moment? The price of electricity in India varies from an average of 15 rupees per unit to even 3 rupees per unit in cities to rural villages respectively. But the price of electricity now may go up to 50 rupees per unit from this month. Are you going to get affected by it? To know how this is going to affect you and who are the players going to buy or sell such expensive power, see the video till end. If we talk about the history of power market in India, India is a rapidly growing power market, with demand for electricity expected to continue to rise in the coming years due to the country's economic growth and expanding population. The power sector in India is divided into three main segments: generation, transmission, and distribution. Power market in India is complex and dynamic, with a range of challenges and opportunities for investors and businesses looking to participate in the sector. Despite these challenges, the country's growing demand for electricity and commitment to renewable energy are expected to drive continued growth in the market in the years to come. The power market in India is regulated by the Central Electricity Regulatory Commission, CERC, and the State Electricity Regulatory Commissions, SERCS. The market operates through a combination of long-term power purchase agreements, PPAs, and short-term power trading, which takes place through power exchanges like the Indian Energy Exchange, IEX, and the Power Exchange India Limited, PXIL. There are many segments in the short-term power trading section like through bilateral agreement and real-time spot market where the price of electricity is discovered through competitive bidding. In the spot market section also there are two segments called day-ahead market, DAM, and real-time market, RTM. The day-ahead market, DAM, in India started in June 2008 with the launch of the Indian Energy Exchange, IEX. The IEX is India's first and largest power exchange, and it operates a real-time spot market on day-ahead basis for trading electricity. The day-ahead market enables buyers and sellers to trade electricity for delivery the following day, based on the forecasted demand and available supply. The launch of the day-ahead market has helped to improve the efficiency and transparency of the power sector in India, by enabling more effective price discovery and reducing reliance on long-term power purchase agreements, PPAs. Since its launch, the day-ahead market has grown significantly, with the IEX now accounting for over 95% of the total volume of power traded on India's power exchanges. The real-time market, RTM, in power exchange was launched in India on June 1, 2020. The RTM is a platform for buying and selling electricity on an intraday basis, allowing buyers and sellers to trade electricity closer to real time, based on the actual demand and supply situation. The RTM is operated by the two power exchanges in India, the Indian Energy Exchange, IEX, and the Power Exchange India Limited, PXIL, and it complements the existing day-ahead market, DAM, in India. The introduction of RTM has provided more flexibility to market participants to manage their power portfolios and has helped to improve the overall efficiency of the power sector in India. Since its launch, the RTM has seen significant growth, with the IEX reporting that the volume of electricity traded on the RTM has surpassed the volume traded on the DAM on several occasions. Generally, it is observed that during high demand seasons the price of electricity is very high to a maximum of more than 30 rupees per unit because of the sale of electricity from imported coal and gas-fired expensive generating units. However, the power market in India is regulated by the Central Electricity Regulatory Commission, CERC, and the State Electricity Regulatory Commissions, SERCS. In accordance to central government's policy of power to all, the Commission has capped on the ceiling for all spot power market segments to 20 rupees per unit of electricity since introduction of the spot electricity market. But the regulator last year lowered the cap on the ceiling for all spot power market segments to 12 rupees per unit of electricity from 20 rupees per unit earlier as to benefit the consumers in connection to government's power to all mission. As sale of subsidized power at a rate below its cost of production is a threat to the industry, Indian power regulator CERC has approved a proposal to start a separate spot market segment for expensive power, fixing a ceiling of 50 rupees $0.6042 per unit by an order issued late month. The approval, given to the country's largest spot power market, the Indian Energy Exchange, IEX, is for fuel generated from costlier sources like imported coal and gas. Power plants that use those sources will be allowed to sell on the new market segment to be called high-price day-ahead market. Though it's not going to affect the consumption as well as the cost of consumption of electricity for the households and common people, but still the increase in the price of the electricity will surely affect the cost of many commodities and services, and that in turn will affect the cost of living of the common people.